If you're wondering whether Retell AI is worth using, this video will share my honest take based on what many users say and what the tool promises. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture whether Retell AI could work for your business or freelance setup. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. From what I gathered, one of Retell AI's biggest strengths is its ability to create realistic, human-like voice agents. Users mention the AI's voice quality feels natural, the conversations flow smoothly, and tasks like lead qualification, appointment scheduling, and common question handling are well handled without sounding robotic. That means for small businesses, freelancers, or remote teams with limited staff, Retell AI can save time and help manage customer calls or inquiries efficiently. Another advantage many reviewers highlight is convenience. With Retell AI, you don't need to hire more people for repetitive calls. The AI can operate 24/7 and handle basic tasks reliably. For busy freelancers or small teams, this kind of automation can mean fewer missed calls, more organized workflows, and less stress. On the flip side, some reviews point out downsides that deserve attention. Setup and configuration can be tricky if you don't have technical experience. For those without a background in tech, getting the system running smoothly may require patience, learning, or even external help. Also, because pricing is based on usage, call minutes, AI processing, telephony, the cost can add up if call volume gets high. For small-scale or occasional use, this might make it less cost-effective. Moreover, a few users report inconsistencies in support or billing clarity. Sometimes customer service response is slow, or charges can be confusing after trials or busy periods. That kind of unpredictability can be risky for freelancers or small business owners who rely heavily on consistent service. In my honest opinion, if you run a small or mid-sized business, or you're a freelancer expecting reasonable call volume and want to streamline repetitive tasks, Retell AI could be a valuable tool, as long as you're prepared for setup and monitor usage carefully. But if you expect low call volume or don't want to deal with technical setup or variable costs, maybe stick with simpler communication tools or human-managed support instead. If you found this review helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments if you want me to test or review similar tools next.